Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after we stop using our watch. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. We can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called display and brightness and tap on it. Here scroll down, find the option called sleep and select it. And right here we have the list of durations. We have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds and auto. Select the duration you like, for example 10 seconds, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of an activity. So let's wait. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.